Okay, I'm gonna try and snap a quick video of this thing so you can see it does work. Control, gonna go to shoot its position out of home. Okay, there you go. It's positioning itself on X, Y, and now Z. And that's it. She's ready to print right now. So you could go ahead and just try to start printing, which I'm not gonna do right now, but as you can see, there she is. And she's printed some stuff like those caps that in fact should go right here. I don't know whether I'm gonna end up putting them in there or not, but they're supposed to go in there. It's a hack I got from Thingiverse. Never know whether it's gonna work or make stuff worse, but well, this is a DIY kit, which means you have to build it by yourself. It comes in pieces. This is acrylic, and there you go. There's the board, and it's an anet. You can see right there, anet, whatever it's pronounced, model A6, and it's got a build plate of 22 millimeters by 22 millimeters by 22 height or something like that. It's basically 8 inches by 8 inches by 8 inches, or very close to that. Well, that's it. I hope you like it. Bye.